It's massively important for students to stand out when they're applying for their first role, especially. Will and practical experience is something that stands out.
You should really show forth your passion for what you have studied. Be confident in what you have learned. Be confident and be able to communicate that clearly so that employers can understand that you are a person who brings both the passion and the ability to share what you are able to learn, and most importantly, work in a team.
So I see the involvement in Will as a critical component of any student that's lucky enough to be selected for the program. So we feel that getting in at the ground level, even before you're a graduate, is a really important thing to be able to enlarge that skill pool.
Just be as keen as possible, really, to learn, to sort of improve any skills that you sort of want to grab. Just ask as many questions as possible. Make sure you're keen and eager to learn from those around you.
So my top tips for upcoming Will students would definitely be eagerness to learn. That's at the top of the list. You can be, the smartest guy in the room, but if there's someone more eager than you, they're going to overtake you eventually.
Top tips for upcoming students from ECU would be to invest lots of time into your CV and cover letter. There will be the mirror and also our first interaction with you as people who review your CVs and cover letter. The second tip would be to be very flexible. Even during your internship, you have to show independence. You have to show that you can adapt quickly to different environments. So it requires you to have that sort of mindset which is focused on continual improvement.